So today we will start Electrochemistry of class 12th. We will divide this chapter into two parts, part 1 and part 2, so that it will be easy for us to understand the chapter. Part 1. In part 1 we will discuss about conductance, resistance and molar conductance. And in part 2 we will discuss about galvanic cell, Daniell cell or voltaic cell. So let's start from the part 1. In part 1, before going to the topic, we will start from conductors. As you all know, what are conductors? Conductors are the substance which allow the pass of a current by which current easily flow. And the conductors are of two types. One is metallic conductor. And another one is electrolyte. This electrolyte become new for the class 12 students as the metallic conductor are studied on the lower classes. In metallic conductor, current is carried by electrons. Electrons are responsible for conductance. While in case of electrolytes, ions are responsible for conduction. And now the question arises, how electrolytes carry current? Electrolyte only carry current in two forms, in molten form or in aqueous form. It do not conduct electricity in solid form. In solid form, it do not conduct electricity. Only in molten or in aqueous form, it conduct electricity. So what are the examples of electrolyte? Examples: NaCl. NaCl in molten form becomes Na positive and Cl negative as the bond started breaking. And in aqueous form, it get ionized to give ions. And these ions are responsible for carrying current. So we can easily say that now, other than metallic conductor, electrolyte also carry current in two forms. One is molten form or in aqueous form. But do not take electrolyte in solid form. If you take NaCl, which is at your home in solid form, take it in a container and pass electricity from it, you will find that no current is flowing through it. But if you take the NaCl in molten form or pour some water in it and then pass current from it, you will see that the current is flowing through the NaCl. So keep remember, electrolyte conduct electricity only in two forms. Now the electrolytes are of two types: strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. So how can you answer what is strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte? The strong electrolyte, for finding in strong electrolyte, we will dissolve into water and get completely ionized. If we dissolve NaCl in water, it get ionized to give Na positive and Cl negative. It get completely ionized. Again, H2SO4. If we dissolve H2SO4 in a water, it gives 2H positive plus SO4 negative. Therefore, strong electrolyte are those which get completely dissociate into ions. But the weak electrolyte do not get completely dissociate into ion. For example, acetic acid, CH3COO negative plus H positive. Here we can say the number of ions in weak electrolyte is less as compared to the strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte completely ionized while weak electrolyte do not completely ionize. The number of ions is greater in strong electrolyte, but the number of ions is less in weak electrolyte. Therefore, if we talk about the conducting value, strong electrolyte conduct more electricity because it has greater number of ions, while weak electrolyte conduct less electricity as compared to strong electrolyte. So, in this chapter, we will first understand electrolyte and types of electrolyte. If we have clear this concept, what is electrolyte and types of electrolyte, then we will proceed into another topic.